welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you today. It is scorching hot here in California. It's 105, and I told you I was going to do fast food ideas for the month of July. So today I'm doing an Alfredo Fettuccine one-pot dish, and it should be ready in 12 to 13 minutes. So I'm going to come right back and go over the ingredients with you. The very first thing you're going to need is fettuccine noodles, 1 pound. You'll need some chicken broth, reduced sodium. You'll need some heavy cream, and you're going to need some garlic powder, white ground pepper, some mushrooms. You'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. You'll need 2 garlic cloves, half a white onion, and 2 cups of chopped cooked chicken, salt, and Parmesan cheese shredded. And this is optional. For the topping, we've got some broccoli here, and that is it. We'll be back to put it together. It is hot here. I gotta get started. We gotta get this dinner done in 12 minutes. Okay, the very first thing you're going to do is turn your big pot on, and you're going to need a big pot. We're going to turn it on medium high just for now, because we want to put the tablespoon, the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter there, and we want to melt that. And as soon as it melts down, we are going to add our onion and garlic. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and put the half cup of minced onion, very small. I minced it very small. And I'm going to put the 2 garlic cloves that are minced very small also. It's been a minute, and we have this all done, the onion and the garlic. The very next thing we're going to do is we are going to add our chicken broth, which is 2.5 cups of chicken broth, low sodium. We're going to put our pepper. We've got a half teaspoon of the pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of the garlic powder. Let's stir this around real quick. Half cup of mushrooms. Let's get all those mushrooms in there. And we do have it on a medium right here, on a medium flame. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to dump in all of our 2 cups of cubed cooked chicken, and we're going to put the 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And now here it comes to the fettuccine, and I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, you can leave them whole and set them in there, but I don't like them whole. I'm going to cut them in half, and I will be back to tell you what we're going to do. So I have everything in here, and I just pushed down some of the fettuccine a little down, but we'll come back and we'll use our tongs and check on it. So at this point, I'm putting the lid on. We're going to put 12 minutes, and we'll be right back. So we're going to go ahead and check it. It's been 12 minutes, and it was on low, and we have it simmering. Now, the package directions said that al dente is 12 minutes, but I want it a little softer, and at this point I'm putting a cup of some grated Parmesan cheese, and we are going to cover this back up for about 3 to 4 more minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it was 12 minutes for al dente, and then I put it for another 3 minutes because I like my noodles a little soft. Now I have to tell you that the recipe called for 1 pound of fettuccine noodles. Now I like a more creamy, more Alfredo sauce, so this one doesn't have too much. It's pretty creamy though. But I put less noodles last time in mine, so you're going to pick and choose what you want. But it is ready, and it looks beautiful, and I'm going to go ahead and plate it. So I plated it, and I'm putting some more Parmesan Romano cheese on top because I love more cheese. And this is another way you can eat it. I love broccoli, so I steamed some broccoli here, and I'm going to put some on top because I love broccoli. And I'm going to come back and we're going to try this. Here I go. It was so good, and it did not take that long. You're going to have to try it. And if you like broccoli, put some broccoli in. If not, you can leave it out. You can even leave the mushrooms out, but I love mushrooms. So I'll be back with the scripture of the day. The scripture I chose today is Ephesians 3:14. When I think of all of this, I fall to my knees and I pray to the Father, the creator of everything in heaven and on earth. I pray that from his glorious, unlimited resources, he will empower you with inner strength through his Spirit. Then Christ will make his home in your hearts as you trust in him. Your roots will grow down into God's love and keep you strong. I just want to thank God for his word. And I'm so encouraged in the scripture. This is Paul, and God has unlimited resources, and he is going to empower you with strength. So keep that in your heart, ponder on it, recite it, meditate on it. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. And come back to Maria's Kitchen and make sure you make this dish and share with friends. Bye.